Hello, welcome to my next video of electronic lab series. I'm still talking about this lab regulated current source. Now we have no load, so there is no current flowing, but if I connect these two wires on output, then we will have some current on output. Okay, we need like this. Okay, now we can regulate current on output, which now flows through these wires. But in this video I want to speak about design, about schematic. I will turn this out. The complete schematic is here. I have already shown this in my first video. Now I will speak about output circuit. To make things simple, I will show you simplified diagram of output circuit that is put here. Okay, we use operational amplifier. With a reference voltage on positive input of operational amplifier. We can regulate output current. The principle of operation is that operational amplifier tries to keep zero voltage difference between inputs. So, the same voltage that we have here, we have also in this point. And what will happen? Here is feedback resistor. The current will flow through our transistor, through output terminals where we can put our load, and through feedback resistor. Independent of the resistance of the load, we will always have constant current because the voltage of this point is determined by reference voltage and the current is determined by this resistor. So the current flowing is reference voltage by ohm law. So if we have 1 ohm and 0.8 volt, we will have 800 milliamperes on output. Since we can regulate this voltage to 0, the range of regulation is 0 to 800 milliampere. And this is principle of operation. In practice, because here is range, we can adjust current in several ranges, 0 to 25, to 125 and to 500 milliampere. So we are doing this with the switch when we putting higher resistance here, higher feedback resistance. That is principle of operation of output stage, and in next video I will describe how did we how the circuit for getting reference voltage. Of course it is with Zener diode, but also integrated circuit is used. I will explain why. Thank you for watching. Bye.